Hi there, am I speaking to Lewis?
This is Lewis.
Hi there, how are you?
I'm doing pretty good. How are you doing?
Yeah, I'm fine. My name is Kevin. I'm calling regarding the property at 12715 Windy Summer, Houston, Texas.
That is my address.
All right, fantastic. Are you actually interested in a cash offer for that property?
I am interested. We're actually planning to sell it. So what you got?
Right, so I'll need to actually ask you some couple of questions. They're just qualifying questions, so I can actually make sure that you get the best offer out of
Okay.
it. Okay. So first things first, in terms of price, do you have a number in mind for that property?
I want because of the condition it is right now, I'm thinking 189,000.
189. Okay.
Mm.
Right. So I just want to highlight something. We cover all the clothing costs and we don't deal with realtors, hence there's no commission fee. So I just wanted to confirm if this is your bottom line.
Actually, yeah. I know about that, fees and all that. So it's actually going pretty good. Like you take it right now or somebody else will.
Well, we buy it as is in condition.
Yeah.
So just want to confirm if it's actually available for any kind of negotiations.
Very little.
Okay, that's fine.
Mhm.
Right. So is it currently listed with a realtor?
It is.
It is. Right. And do you currently live there or is it rented?
It's vacant right now.
Okay. And for how long was it vacant?
It's been vacant for about 2 months already.
2 months. Okay. And if you don't mind me asking, for how long have you owned that property?
For about 15 years.
15 years. Okay. And just to confirm here, it's 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths.
Yes, that is correct.
Okay. And what are the renovations done within the last 3 to 5 years?
Can you repeat that question one more time? I do apologize.
Yeah, of course. So what are the updates or the upgrades done in the last 3 to 5 years?
It's a roof, that we had to change, and as well we removed the tree over there.
Mhm.
So kind of like the soil, the soil out there is open.
Mhm.
So yeah.
Okay, fantastic. And for the future reference, of course, any major or minor repairs that need to be done for the foundation, plumbing, electricity, HVAC, anything.
Maybe the air conditioning
All right, fantastic.
and like the
And
backyard as well. Like I said, like there's a big hole.
so air conditioning and the backhaul. Okay. And if you don't mind me asking, do you currently owe a mortgage on it?
No.
Okay, great. And yeah, what would be the reason to sell since we're looking for motivated sellers, of course, aside from me calling you?
Well, just pretty much get rid of it.
All right,
Mhm.
fair enough. Right, and I'm speaking to Luis Pinada at 12715 Windy Summer, Houston. And
Yes,
this is the best number to call you back, right?
same number you're calling.
All right. All right. So my acquisition manager will be in touch with you within the next 48 hours. Is that okay?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
Just
When would it be a good time? Morning or afternoon?
in the afternoon, after 3 p.m. Central.
Okay. Fantastic. That's everything I needed to know. Thank you very much and hope you get the best offer out of it. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Bye.